I had to do this shit at nighttime because this sun was fucking me up earlier. It's my sis shit for real. I think she said she was having a no start issue on her shit. And I think it was the same thing like I was dealing with on my shit with this negative terminal side. It's dark out here, so y'all can't even see it fully, but y'all can see that ring around that motherfucker though. That's what I'm assuming it is, cause she said she put a brand new battery in that bitch, and then that motherfucker just ain't want to start. So yeah, yo, I'm out here, yo. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm out here changing this shit, yo. My sis shit. Got that bitch running too. Big shorty. I be knowing my shit, y'all. I be trying to tell y'all, yo. She called me, yo. She was like, yo, bro. She told me everything that happened, yo. I'm like, bro, that sound like the same shit I just went through. Nah, yo, you ain't ready to go through all that, taking that shit up to nobody shot with none of that shit, bro. Bro got you, yo. Look. See that motherfucker cut straight on running.